everyone, welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today, I will guide you through a gentle but powerful Qigong practice to balance the yin-yang in the body from the magical land of Sedona. This moving meditation can be done standing or be seated. Now let's get started. Find an even ground to stand, feet hip width, and bring up the happy bouncing. Moving the knees up and down to generate the most comfortable vibration in the body. You might bounce fast or slow and close your eyes. Bring your elbows up. Let your wrists dangle. Feel the vibration in your body, and this is your energy. If you notice any tension in the shoulder or the neck, as you breathe out, let go of the tension. Lower the arms down and swing front and back. Gently twist side to side. Feeling happy, feeling grounded as you bounce. Slowly come back to center, feet hip width. Stand in a Taoist Wuji posture. Think of having the bones stacking from earth to heaven. Knees slightly bent, hips relaxed. Pull in the lower abdominal a little. Hollow your chest. Elongate your spine, shoulders relaxed, armpits open. Sink the elbows. Relax your wrists, your hands, fingers are open to allow energy to flow. Tuck your chin slightly. Press the crown of your head, the Bai Hui point, towards the heavens. Lengthen through your neck. Place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. The tip of your tongue acts as a switch connecting your two main energy channels of the body. And close your eyes. Bring up a joyful smile. Gentle and deep breathing through your nostrils. Imagine you are standing in the beginning of the universe. Feel the quietness, the vastness, the emptiness of the universe. Breathing the universe. Feel the universal energy comes into your body through every pore of your skin and collect in your lower dantian. With each outgoing breath, visualize aches and pains, worries and concerns are being transformed into smoke. Goes out from your body to the end of the universe. Now, say the password quietly. I am in the universe. The universe is in my body. The universe and I are one. In this oneness, place your left hand over your chest, right hand over your lower abdominal, your lower dantian. Hands are close to the body without touching to maintain a sense of emptiness. Fingers are open to allow the energy to flow. Visualize the universal love energy as the brilliant sun shines from the center of the universe. Your body is in this magnificent pillar of light. Slowly, left hand moves down and out. Right hand up and in a circular motion. Elbows are guiding the movement. For beginners, move about 5 cycles per minute. Notice the sensation in the body. Begin to use your mind, your your intuition to guide the elbows. Notice the heat radiates out from your palms when the hands pass through each other. Feel the tingling sensations in your hands, your fingers. This is your qi being activated. Energy in your hands are stimulating your organs and systems. Everything in between are balanced. The balance of yin-yang generates the flow of qi, clears blockages along energy pathways, along your meridians. Check in with your shoulders. Are they still relaxed? Check in with your neck. Is your chin still tucked a little? Hands slowly move up and down over this beautiful pillar of light. The light is warm and bright. It is mesmerizing. You want to grasp this pillar of light. Your hands lovingly glide over it. Notice the tingling sensation in your arms and your hands, and radiating to different parts of the body. QiGong teaches that there's no good energy nor bad energy. Qi cannot be created nor to be destroyed, but can be transformed. Through the guidance of your mind, your heart mind, your your intuition, you are transforming the energy that no longer serves you. Aches and pains dissolve along with your worries and concerns. Blockages are gone. Channels are open, completely healed and completely healed. Notice your emotions. Your emotions is coming through. Letting go, letting go, letting go. Feeling balanced inside, feeling balanced with the universe around you. Feel the subtle energy reverberating through your organs and your systems. Feeling rejuvenated, balanced, renewed. Slowly rotate your arms towards your lower dantian. Bring your hands over the lower dantian. Hands are close but without touching. Hands close to the body without touching. For female, left hand over right. For male, right over left. Use your heart mind to guide this pillar of light into your body. There's this ball of energy fills up the entire cavity of your abdominal. You begin to spin this ball of energy clockwise. It spins faster, it gets brighter, gets smaller. It spins faster, smaller and brighter, brighter and brighter and smaller, faster and faster, smaller, brighter. And now it becomes a size of an energy pill. This is your elixir. You tuck it behind your navel for use later. Observe 3 deep cycles of breath through your lower dantian. Interlace your fingers and rub your palms. Prepare to harvest the qi. Massage your face 9 times gently. Now massage the ears 9 times. Cup your head, top, back, and your neck. Notice your head become more clear as you cup the head. Up the torso. Left side of the torso. right side. The left arm inside, outside. Right arm. Cup the kidneys. Bend your knees a little. Use the back of your hands to massage the kidneys. Lift up your shirt if you like. Skin to skin is the best. Then use your palms to massage gently. Bend your knees a little, tap the hip points. Cup the kneecaps. Left knee, right knee. Behind the knees. Heel rise, integrating qi into your muscles and bones, organs and systems. Come back to stillness. Bring your hands to your heart. Take this feeling of harmony and balance into the rest of your day.